Tax season is in full swing, and as people gather their documents, it's so important to safeguard your sensitive information and work with trustworthy tax preparers to avoid scams. Now, two scams on the rise right now: IRS imposters and ghost tax preparers. Heather Massey with Better Business Bureau of Central Texas joins us now, and I've never heard of this before. This imposter, this ghost filer, how's that work?
Yeah, so someone claims they're going to prepare your taxes for you, and once they get them prepared, they refuse to sign it. So anyone that is filing a federal return on your behalf needs to have a preparer tax identification number. This is critical. If they don't sign your document, they're not legally liable, and that puts you on the hook for any mistakes.
So how do I know whether they're legit or not? Because they don't put the number on until the end, right?
So what you need to do is you can go to the irs.gov and look at preparers that have these numbers before you make an appointment. You can also research on our website at bbb.org, look at reviews or any histories with these preparers and see what kind of results they have.
And I'm hearing that sometimes they're offering special deals that are not legal. What are those?
Yeah, they can offer discounts, and some of them they're going to take their fee off of the percentage of your return, which they cannot do. They need to charge a flat fee that's based on law, and they also can't guarantee that you're going to receive an exorbitant amount before they even look at your documents. They don't know what you're going to owe or what you're going to get in a refund, so watch out for those false claims.
The red flag is right there. All right. So how can people recognize the imposter who's trying to get your money from the IRS, saying, hey, we're with the IRS?
So what they're going to do is they do those high pressure tactics. They call you, they send you text messages, and they threaten to put you in jail or deportation. So what you want to do is, if you're concerned you might owe back taxes or have any type of trouble with the IRS, reach out to them directly at irs.gov. You can verify that information there. If someone wants you to give their social security number through text message, phone call, email, or ask for your debit or banking information, red flag, that's not the IRS. They will send you communication multiple times prior through the mail.
Yeah, they're too busy, like you were saying.
They're too busy. Yes, they're not calling you every day, threatening to put you in jail.
They're not texting you. Yeah, absolutely. They're not doing those things. A lot of people, especially our seniors, are so vulnerable, and they just sometimes are. The pressure, the high pressure thing, as you said, if it's pressure, it's probably not real.
Yeah, it's a red flag. So if anyone's threatening to put you in jail or immediate recourse, stop, take a pause, reach out directly to the IRS.
And do people reach out to you guys as well? Because this is the IRS's issue, not the Better Business Bureau's.
Well, if you are dealing with a tax preparer or you're looking for someone to file your taxes, you can find reputable preparing services on our website at bbb.org. But if you've been the victim of a scam or approached by a scam, it's important you report it on our scam tracker, and that's also at bbb.org/scam tracker.
If they do reach out to you, you simply just push them to the IRS. There's no investigation as far as the Better Business Bureau does, or what's that?
Well, BBB does. We have an investigation side. So we do look into businesses. If we have a pattern of complaints or anything that comes about, we can launch an investigation and really look into them. We work with the Attorney General's office and other agencies too to help put that information out if we've seen fraudulent tactics. But it's important that you do report it on our site. If you don't report it to us, we don't know about it.
Is this something that you get a lot of people coming out, reaching out to you on your website, or is that something that doesn't really happen as much as you might think?
It happens a lot. So on our scam tracker, it's a completely free interactive tool all over the U.S. You plug in as much information as you know, put in that contact information, and report what happened. Even if you didn't lose money, it's important, as this map is all over the U.S. and it's interactive in real time. So before you go to Facebook or social media and report all of this, make sure you report it to our website so we can get that information out.
And before you go to Facebook or Instagram and find the great deal where you're going to get all this money back on taxes, again, make sure you verify, right? Make sure that it's legit. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it. And don't get scammed this tax season.